How to use Quick Share Android phones. Quick Share is a file sharing system developed by Google that allows you to wirelessly share any type of file between two devices. It can be even used on Windows, Chrome OS, and Android devices. Benefits of Quick Share. Quick Share is a fast and easy way to share photos, videos, documents, or other files between two devices. It is more efficient than Bluetooth or Wi-Fi Direct. It is available on all Android devices running Android 6.0 or later. How to use Quick Share. To find Quick Share on your phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap the Quick Share icon. If you don't see the Quick Share icon, you can add it by tapping the Edit icon and then dragging the Quick Share icon to the Quick Settings panel. Select the file you want to share. Tap the Share button. Tap the Quick Share icon. Then you should select the device you want to share the file with. The recipient will receive a notification asking them to accept the file. Once the recipient accepts the file, it will be transferred to their device. Additional tips for using Quick Share. Make sure that both devices have Quick Share turned on. You should make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you are sharing a large file, it may take a few minutes for the transfer to complete. Like and subscribe.